Hey everyone, so I received this welcome kit from Deloitte today. I joined Deloitte on 8th of December this year, and I was quite happy and excited to receive this. That excited to see what's inside the box. So I've seen videos of other folks they joined Deloitte and they get quite exciting products inside. So and you have all gone through this phase that it feels quite amazed and excited that free goodies that you get from any organization. So I was too as well. So I just opened the box and I found these items inside the box. So a bag was there. It was of decent quality, not very good quality or not cheap as well. So it was a decent quality bag and a Deloitte branding was there on it. So it looked so cool out there and it was in black color. So two zips were there, one for compartment for having your pen and other earphones or maybe cards or something you can keep it inside it. Another zip was the which for laptop you can keep it the laptop inside it. So this was the bag. I already have multiple bags. I already got a laptop bag as well. This was the a cool product that I received. I didn't like. I have seen it in other people's like welcome kit videos that the Deloitte gives this. So this is a wooden kind of USB hub, you can say. So multiple ports are there. It's one is A type USB A type and C type ports are there. So four ports are there, two A type and two C type. And there is a connector as well, which you can connect it through laptop, which is hanging in right above. Yeah, right there. So C-type connector, A type, both type connectors as well, whichever suits for your laptop. So you can connect it with your laptop and add your other devices, maybe your monitor or whatever you have. And there is one box as well. So I guess it right, it was a bottle. So it is a sipper bottle. So it is quite good quality. I didn't expect of that much good quality bottle as it was. So it is quite heavy and one the basic or maybe a cool feature of it is it has a very rubbery base which sticks to the like table wherever you keep it. So whenever you keep the bottle and it is a stick to it, so it will not fall. Even if you touch it accidentally, so it will not fall. So it is quite good, and the zipper is of good quality, and it feels that you can keep a coffee or something or hot water or cold water, and it will keep warm or something for some time now. So three items were there, and it was quite cool to receive. And it always great to receive welcome kits, welcome goodies from a company that you join. So that was it. I received it today, and it was quite a happy moment for me as well. So yeah, thank you for watching. Yeah.